Hey guys, what up? It's your girl Ashley here, and today I'm gonna go thrifting, and I'm trying to do like a thrift flip, but like just kind of like DIY my own clothes from thrifted clothes because it's cheaper that way. And yeah, sorry my voice is very cracky. It's 10:08 right now on a Saturday, and I'm gonna get this lighting is so bad. I'm gonna go get coffee first because I'm tired. Yesterday when I came home, I slept for like 3 hours, and that was kind of like weird, but let's go. I like this blazer. I can use it for debate because I'm on a debate team, so yep. It's kind of like a prisoner shirt. Dirty flannel vibes. Question: does this make my crotch look weird? Oh, it's a little bit of little I'm hiding something here. Just a crotch. Ugh. Hey guys, so I just got back from thrifting. Okay, there's a lady right in front of me, so I'm gonna vlog here. Hope you don't mind. I got 5 items of clothing. I got like a blazer, 2 mom jeans that I'm gonna DIY one of them, and then I got 2 shirts, like a striped top and a flannel. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna DIY thrift them. So I just got back from the Goodwill a while ago, and I have a couple items that I want to modify. So first I have this pair of mom jeans. I don't really like how they fit on me, so I want to make them boyfriend jeans because I do like want to do something with them. And then these are not just from today. Some of these items I had from other times, but also from the Goodwill. And then I just have this big item. It's this really cool sweater. It's like striped and have these like orange colors, and I like it, but it's like a sweater dress on me because it's very big. It's literally in a size extra large. I think I got it from the men's section, but I just want to crop it and just make it a little more fitting on me. This one I want to make it a mid-elbow length kind of length, mid-elbow length kind of length. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just get started. Scarf. guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me DIY the pieces. I really loved everything I made or modified, and yeah, they turned out super cute, so hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. The only thing I have to complain about is that my hand hurts a lot from pulling the threads from my distressed boyfriend jeans, which is not really boyfriend jeans, but like kind of. I try to make it look like boyfriend jeans. But yeah, I'm so tired. I had a lot of fun making this video, so let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!